back to my channel. This is Ratna here. Wish you all a very happy Eid Ul-Fitr. Here is an easy Eid Ul-Fitr recipe, Kilsa, to sweeten this occasion. So first we will soak 1/4 cup maida or all-purpose flour in 1 cup water for half an hour. When done, we'll decant the water and put it aside. Now to a pot, we will add the soaked all-purpose flour or maida, 1.5 cups of thin coconut milk. If you are using canned coconut milk, then you can mix 3/4 cup coconut milk with 3/4 cup water to get thin coconut milk. And then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and a pinch of salt. After mixing everything, we can boil it until it thickens. When done, we'll add 1/2 cup thick coconut milk and finally 1/4 cup sugar. We'll mix everything and boil until it thickens again. When done, we will move it to a container. Now in a teaspoon ghee or clarified butter, we will fry separately 1/4 cup cashew nuts and 1/4 cup raisins or kismis. We can garnish it and serve it hot or chilled in fridge. It's very simple and easy recipe and I really hope you will like it. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Also thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel notifications, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.